G'day! In today's video I've got a Lenovo 90DF and let's cover what can and can't be upgraded. To begin with, we need the toggle over to the left and from here push on top. With the side panel removed, what can we do? So right now we have a 500 gig SSD, a SATA based SSD and a hard drive in there. We have a 80 plus bronze, where are we, wattage? 435 watt, a relatively low wattage power supply from factory that can be upgraded and changed. We've got a GTX 960 that can be upgraded and changed. This one does have I believe an i7 6700. Basically you can't go any higher than that on this. Wouldn't even bother, just leave it as it is. Aftermarket cooler, doubtful that they can be changed, as it is a custom mounting bracket on there. So processor can be upgraded if you've got an i3 or an i5. I would go to a 6700. RAM wise, we could probably go 16 gig of RAM. It's going to be DDR, well, we might be DDR4. Let's see if I spread those and then pull. 1 second. What do we got? We have 8 gig DDR4. Right, so this has already got 16 gig of RAM in there. You could potentially just go 4 8s. But on a machine this age, I find it a bit hard to recommend. So processor, RAM, we got another disk drive, or we got a disk drive, we could add another disk drive. Wouldn't really bother in this day and age. Another caddy for a hard drive. In my mind here, I'm not also seeing any NVMe slots. We do have a lot of spaced out 1x PCIe. We have a Wi-Fi card here that could potentially be upgraded. So basically, if I was to upgrade this for a current gaming computer, what would I use? I'd leave the processor if it's already at an i7 6700. If you've got 16 gig of RAM, I'd leave it at that. If you've got 8, up it to 16. Power supply, we've got a 435 watt power supply, which is fairly low. So I'd probably change that to around about a 650 watt power supply. And the GTX 960, I would probably change that to something along the lines of probably a GTX 3060 12 gig model. Pick them up used for around about, probably hopefully around 300 Australian dollars to maybe 220 US. Otherwise I'd probably go an RX 6600 XT or something of that era. Granted, you would still be heavily held back by the CPU, of which the cooler that you couldn't really change. Now looking at it, I don't think we can really add any more fans. 1 fan, 2 fan, 3 fan, possibly add one up the top here. But it's not going to be generating too much heat to warrant that. Anyway, they're my upgrade thoughts regarding this particular Lenovo. I'll see you guys later. Bye.